don't. No.
I don't even know where to, like, I don't know where to go from. It's a bloody mess. Wow. I look scary. Good morning. Welcome back to Shesinherapron. Oh, speaking of aprons, I gotta pick one out. Not feeling very well. I think I'm just like excited for back to school, exhausted from getting ready. I have no idea, but today I got my big stock pot on the stove and I'm about to make my Italian gravy. You could click on that video and watch. So what I need to do is start chopping some onions and getting chopped onions and 2 pieces of pork in there, and so they can caramelize and get going. The house is about to smell oh so good. All right, so Boston wants to try the pina colada instant oatmeal. If you guys haven't seen the video, click on the link. I made these up the other day. So he wants this one. So did you guys see the video? Okay, I spelled it correctly, but forgot to change it on the other labels. Plan. Yep, that's me though. So can't be perfect all the time, right? No. Oh, I love it. Okay, so Boston wants the pina colada, and if he doesn't like it, I will have it because I love it. It just has dried pineapple and dried coconut in there. So I'm gonna get that in. I'm gonna dump this in the mug. Oh yeah. And if you can't find freeze-dried fruit, you could just use dried fruit. I just had freeze-dried in my food storage, so I just used what I had. It was from Thrive, from my good friends at the Big Family Homestead. So my Keurig is preheating. You could do this in the microwave. Just put 3/4 cup water. That's 6 ounces. But I love doing it in the Keurig. How do you like the pina colada, Boston?
Just tasted it. Yeah.
I'm having apple raisin. So the kids start school tomorrow. I'm putting all the papers from back to school night into their binder. I do have a video on this binder. You can click on the link. This has been the bestest thing I have done for back to school to keep track of all the papers. So when we go on trips and stuff, Derek and I, we bring this to Oma and Opa's house, Derek's parents, and we also put the kids' medical information in here. So everything they need about school, times, bells, schedules, teachers, everything is in here. So I'm gonna put everything from back to school in here. So I took down all the 4th of July decor, and now I'm just gonna give it just a light dusting, because I'm gonna start to put out just some pumpkins and a little bit of fall. I usually do this every August, but last year Halloween up went way early because we went out of town and I wanted to come home to it. But usually I start putting my fall out in August when the kids go back to school, and that's tomorrow. So I am just going to give the mantle a light dusting and then maybe put out a few pumpkins. And this is my dust mitt from Norwex. There's a link down below. This is amazing. So I'm just gonna dust. Oh, and this right here is a camera. We got it at Costco. It's great. This is so great. I could see the house when I'm not home, see what the kids are doing. It's fantastic. So for the last week or so, I've been in and out of a few Dollar Tree stores, and I wanted to share them with you. So they have Halloween pumpkins there that are pretty sturdy, they're pretty heavy. And then they had a whole assortment of different ones, sparkly ones, bronzy type ones with glitter. I just thought they were so cute. And then gold. I did pick up some burlap ribbon, and I'll see what I have an idea of where I want to put it, so I grabbed that. And then they have mini hay bales. I thought this would be cute to decorate with. But look at this owl that you can hang off a shelf, so cute. And some more pumpkins, and then I did pick up 2 Halloween things. Shaylee really wanted these Halloween lanterns, and they light up, so I grabbed those for her, and I grabbed some fall looking foliage to add to some of my plants. But so this is just some of the fall decorations that I've gotten at Dollar Tree. Oh, I've been busy. Time to make the meatballs. So earlier I took off all the cushions on our kitchen chairs and washed them up with the washing machine. And now it's time to get them back on. I just sauteed up some green beans. I boiled them first. We have garlic, red pepper flakes, salt, and some Parmesan cheese. And we're ready to eat. Here's Shaylee's plate.
Try it.
Okay, the gravy is done. Oh, the meatballs are so good. So now we, so dinner was amazing. Look at all this leftover. I mean, this is a big stock pot. This is huge. So what I do is I dish out the sausage and the meatballs and we eat those separately. And then I bag up all the gravy and I'll put some in a mason jar for us to have for the week. And then the rest I freeze, or I'll hurry and do some sort of freezer meals with them. And yeah, oh, so good. The house smells amazing. But now it's time to clean up from the day. And I have this left of the kitchen. And she is so excited about school tomorrow. She's just dancing away over there. So now I just gotta finish picking up this part of the house. And then the last thing I'll do is bag this up. I keep stirring it to cool it off because it is piping hot. Bag of gravy came off the Ziploc holder. I don't know how I should do this. And Derek's just sitting on the couch. Derek, come help me.
Your daughter's there helping you.
No, she's holding the camera.
He sent me over to help you.
Derek.
We have all learned to clean our own messes.
Ooh. You're so gonna pay for that remark.
Oh.
Okay. I will.
No baby making for you.
Ew. It's like someone got
Let
killed.
go of your phone.
I'm not holding my phone, it's in my apron.
We didn't lose any sausage, did we?
Oh my gosh, Derek. Go get some wet
My
paper.
Christmas present! What do you need?
Help me clean it!
I just don't know.
I don't even know where to, like, I don't even know where to go from. It's a bloody mess.
See, this is what you did. And then when I fell down the stairs,
Oh, but that
and all over the
that was
ceiling and wall.
hilarious. That was hilarious.
Who didn't get up to help me when I'm lying on the floor
Because I
dying?
was too busy laughing because all I heard was splat, and I saw salsa hit the wall. I mean, that was hilarious.
Who didn't get off the couch?
Because
to help me clean up that mess.
I was too weak laughing. Look through my. Oh, there's intestines running down the wall. Oh. I'm not even gonna save this cloth. That's
Awesome.
it. Oh my gosh. You could clean that. Oh. Can you give me a butter knife?
Oh no, it's down the side.
Yes! That's why I'm freaking out. Can I have a butter knife?
That's gonna get moldy.